Hello everyone, welcome to our 10th International Health Industrial Park. As the coronavirus is still raging across the world, we really are restrained from visiting each other for our outgoing activities. Many of our families have not been to the 10th HQ for a long time. I believe all of you also quite miss here. So today we will take you to an online tour visit of his beautiful and majestic 10th Health Industrial Park. 10th is not only a global giant, but also a global business carrying health, development, and hope. 10th International Health Industrial Park, which covers an area of 1 square kilometers, with a total investment of more than 7 billion yuan, and is a comprehensive industrial park integrating research and development, production, warehousing and logistics, office reception, conferences, and exhibition, hotel, and carrying. In front of us, a fabulous main square with a huge golden lion, surrounded by 110 countries' national flags, including UN flag. 110 overseas branches, now expanded more than 190 business offices across the world. On the left, the 10th is the 10th International Conferences Center. On the right is the 10th International Congress and the Banquet Center. Thank you for your attention of today's 10th International Health Industrial Park. Please follow my colleague for your next visit.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 10th Museum. 10th Museum is a large enterprise exhibition hall which is invested and built by 10th Group, which integrates traditional Chinese aesthetic elements and a variety of modern high-tech exhibition methods. The purpose of the construction of the museum is to display the development process of 10th and promote the enterprise culture of 10th. Next, the visit will officially begin. The first thing that catches your eyes is the global strategy map of 10th on the curved wall, on which small red lights represent the branches of 10th Group in 110 countries and regions around the world. And so far, 10th business has extended more than 190 countries and regions. It has provided quality products and services to more than 47 million families around the world. Next, it is an outstanding embodiment of 10th people practice of absolute responsibility of 10th core values to devote themselves to public welfare and practice love culture. What we are going to see is 10th charity exhibition. The first display board with heart shape means one red heart for our party and country. The second display board with core design element, lotus flowers, conveys the meaning charity for all humankind. The third board with core design element, the earth, conveys our vision, 10th deep love for the world. The fourth board with core design, sunflower, conveys our idea, take care of children and spread our love to the future. The fifth board, water drop shape, implies the highest good is like water, the superior man who has breath of charity carries the outer world. Now, let me give you a brief introduction of Tian's third business progress and new strategy, One Body, Multiple Wings. In 1996, Mr. Li Jingyuan paid business visit to overseas countries such as America, Australia, and conduct market research on overseas health products. In 1997, he came up with a slogan, the second progress, which required all the Tian's people to stay modest, return to zero in mind, and start our business with new starting line all over again. All accomplishment and honor went past, and new glory is waiting to begin. In the beginning of 2018, Tian's Group started his third business revival around the globe. Tian's history includes 3 periods. The first progress, from 1995 to 1997, Tian's Group waded across the stream by filling the stone in his way. The second progress, from 1997 to 2017, Tian's Group started his international market development. The third progress, from the beginning of 2018, Tian's Group started his third development. Next, let's see carefully what's displayed here. On the upper part is the picture China government leaders greeting interviews or giving awards to Mr. Li Jingyuan. On October 2009, China Vice Chairman Xi Jinping led Chinese entrepreneur to visit Hungary. As a member of Chinese entrepreneur delegation, Mr. Li Jingyuan took part in Sino-Hungary Entrepreneur Forum and accompanied Xi Jinping to visit Hungary House of Parliament after meeting. These pictures shows the accomplishment that Tian's Group has achieved in international cooperation and communication. It records the shining moment when the allied leaders, celebrities from all over the world, such as Asia, Africa, South America, Europe, North America, was meeting Mr. Li Jingyuan. Dear guests, now we are entering Tian's second exhibition hall, Development History. Let's take a look at Tian's milestone in his development. Tian's history includes 3 periods. The first process, from 1995 to 1997, Tian's Group waded across the stream by filling the stone in his way. The second progress, from 1997 to 2017, Tian's Group started his international market development. The third progress, from the beginning of 2018, Tian's Group started his third development. On the historical event, we can also see our annual event and August 3rd Celebrity Conference. From the video of the wall, we can also see all our annual events. The screen with 2.88 meter wide and 20.8 meter length, you will see Tian's Group is rising from the east of the global like sun. At the same time, while China was reforming and opening to the world, a strong and vigorous flying line, Tian's, was staring to the distance and about to fly to the sky from delicate peony flower. Now let's enter the third exhibition hall. Here you will see 13 entrepreneurial stories in Tian's history. In 1996, Mr. Li Jingyuan had already gone abroad to investigate and study when the call for domestic companies to develop overseas market was just beginning. In 1997, Mr. Li Jingyuan registered branch companies in 37 countries at the same time. By the strategy of identify points within area and develop area by point, Tian's group has already designed his overall international layout. In the same year, as the response to China government call, Tian's held a mini roundtable conference on international market. Based on overall understanding and cultivation of international market, Mr. Li Jingyuan had already been very confident in overseas market. He was setting the road to rights before the large world map. From then on, Tian's group started his second business progress. Tian's group started his business in 37 countries at almost the same time and has already spread to more than 190 countries. Tian's has made himself an oriental legend in the world economy arena. Tian's began his second business progress that went from China domestic to world international market. And then what we will see is the car, which is the favorite of our chairman, Mr. Li Jingyuan. He sold this Xiali to pay his staff. The next exhibition area we are entering displaying 9 wax staters of Tian's drivers. All these vivid wax staters are handmade by world-famous wax staters master, Mr. Avery. Each of them tells a touching story about how to create happiness through hard work and struggle. What we will see next is the wall of the honor of Tian's group. We could see there are many awards on the wall. What we will see next is the flag of our company. It implies the outstanding cooperation of our team. Tian's reaching Mountain Everest. The great salesman of Tian's group went to the Mongolian mountain and reaching the top at 8:25 on May. So, these are all the story of our '10th Museum. Next, I will introduce our next colleague to introduce more of our company. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are now at 10th Institute of Life Science and Technology. 10th Institute of Life Science and Technology, with a total investment of 80 million yuan, a building area of 6,000 square meters, has a product research and development center focusing on health food, daily chemicals, skincare, and health equipment development. It currently has multiple patents and health committees approvals. The 10th postdoctoral workstation established in 2005 and the 10th academician workstation established in 2018 provide a powerful boost to the core technological innovations developed by 10th. It is on the third floor of the institute. This is the Healthcare Food Research and Development Lab. The institute has 5 floors. The first floor is the office area. The second floor are the development labs for daily chemical products, skincare products, and the equipment products. The fourth floor is the production function evaluation laboratory. Let's take a look at the physical and the chemical testing laboratory. This laboratory is mainly responsible for the quality control in the product development process, such as the testing of the content of functional ingredients in the product, the testing of nutrients such as protein, and the testing of the heavy metals and other pollutants. As you can see, the 2 experts are now testing the adenosine content of the functional ingredient in cordyceps mycelium capsule products. Next, let's take a look at the Healthcare Food Development Laboratory, which is mainly responsible for the development of product formulas for healthcare foods and functional foods, such as the sample test formulas and the taste adjustments. After years of accumulation of scientific research, the Institute of Life Sciences and Technology has obtained more than 100 national patents and completed more than 50 healthcare food approval applications, which provides solid products and technical support for the development of 10th Group and the health of global consumers. Thank you for your patience on our visit. Now please follow my colleague for your next tour.
And now it is my great honor to show you the CHQ production base. This is the production base in '10th International Health Industrial Park Chinese headquarters. It adopts international advanced designs, concepts, and introduces fully automatic production equipment. In terms of factory design, process technology, environmental protection, and energy saving, it has reached the European Union, the United States, and Japan certifications. Now please join me in the workshop and see for yourself how the production process and the environment during the epidemic. This equipment is a German Bosch capsule filling machine. It has stable filling volume, small difference in filling volume, and high reliability. You can fill 180,000 capsules per hour. '10th cordyceps capsules. being produced here are one of the excellent products for regulating immunity. This equipment is a German fatty tablet price. It has a high degree of automation and high production efficiency. The equipment capacity can reach 320,000 tablets per hour. Now it is producing ٹائنز dietary fiber chewable tablets. This is a canned production line for nutritional super calcium powder for children. It is a high-tech automatic filling line from German VA company. Its advantages are automatic weighing and automatic camping. Avoid the pollution of the product due to outside world to the greatest extent. And the production capacity can reach 1,500 cans per hour. Over the past 26 years, ٹائنز brand children's nutrition super calcium powder have nurtured generations of smart and intelligent ٹائنز babies. ٹائنز calcium products have also become one of ٹائنز people's favorite products worldwide. Thank you so much for listening, and now welcome my colleagues.
Welcome to the ٹائنز Product Experience Center. Now let us see what is inside. The first to introduce is 10 yuan. The entire 10 yuan exhibition area is outlined in gold, and the greeting walls create a romantic and fashionable atmosphere like cherry blossom. 10 yuan is a transliteration of the Latin words meaning sky, goddess. Pursuing perfection and promotion, skincare is the brand philosophy of 10 yuan. What everyone sees now is the Marine East Extra Hydra series that won the Best Taste 2017 Style Awards. The product formula originates from the Japanese R&D Center, which stimulate the power of ocean extract and yeast to create a clear, plump skin from the inside out. And then our second stop is ٹائنز Nutrition and Health Food area. The new essence philosophy is derived from the foresight of Chairman Mr. Li Jingyuan. It is founded on Chinese traditional health and wellness wisdom. Under the guidance of the traditional Chinese medicine culture, the theory of modern medicine is integrated. On this side is the first product, Nutrient High Calcium Powder. It adopts high-tech biological technology, which is rich in lots of nutrition sources like protein, minerals, vitamins, and so on. It provides balanced nutrition that is more conducive to human absorption. It has been the best-selling product of healthcare in the world for more than 20 years. Across the hall, we are arriving at Titison's exhibition area. Titison's intelligent health management platform is backed by the integration of equipment, expert consultation, and technology such as WeChat Health Data Management System, Face Recognition, and Body Composition System. The face recognition system can quickly detect and evaluate 84 health index of 10 systems within 1 minute. The technology is very stunning. It's helpful to evaluate your health condition and provide early warning of self-help. And then we will go to the second floor to continue our visit of other area. The Product Experience Center is divided into 2 floors, which has more space to show different sections. The remarkable decoration hanging on the roof is composed of lots of leaves, which is coated by gold and represent Tian's logo, shining under the light. After climbing the stairs, passing through a corridor, we arrive at our next stop. People who love life might like delicious food and sharing. In Tian's Health Chicken, you can follow the star chef to make and enjoy Tian's unique health and delicious dishes. Here we have all the kitchenware. You can try Chinese and Western dishes, baking classes, DIY coffee drinks, and share life with friends and partners. The last stop is All Legend International Travel Service. There is a saying, if you don't go out, your home is your world. If you go out, the world is your home. All Legend Tourism is a wholly owned subsidiary of Tian's. In the later, it will launch a store expanding mode. Online is a travel platform system, and offline is the physical stores. It achieves fast pace and convenience. This helps everyone to feel the charm of Tian's. Thank you again for being with you on today's guide tour. Now I will welcome my colleague to introduce more for you.
Hi, welcome to 10th International Congress and Banquet Center. The 10th International Congress and Banquet Center has 10 multifunctional banquet halls with different sizes and different styles. The banquet center can serve 3,000 people at once, including catering and meeting. The banquet center is such magnificent, high-end, elegant, and fully equipped with the most advanced devices. The China Hall in 3rd floor is one of the biggest and the most advanced hall in Tianjin. It has 48 square meter giant LED screen, beautiful stage lights, hi-fi speakers, multi-language translation system. It can host the large meeting, live show, wedding ceremony, banquet. Now you are seeing is one of the most beautiful hall called China Hall. The LED stage lights built in the multi-layer dome can create a beautiful and fascinating view, such as a galaxy full of stars. We are looking forward to meeting you here. Raise our cups and cheers to our friendship. Thank you for your attention of our visit. Now please follow my colleague and for your next visit. Thank you.
Yo, hi everyone. It is my great honor to be here, and now you will see the great performing center. The Tignes International Conference Center covers an area of 30,100 meters and is surrounded by flowing water. It's like a hot balloon ready to fly. It is a modern cultural entertainment venue that accommodates 7,000 people and offers large conference training, comprehensive performing arts, art exhibition, and fashion entertainment facilities. The Grand Perform Arts Center behind me has an area of 4,534 meters, accommodating 4,800 people, and the advanced sound and electro-optic system give truly unique performance. Besides, there's 40 cinema inside the conference center. It is equipped with the advanced simultaneous interpretation system for 7 languages, and is an ideal venue for large international conference. Established by Chairman Li Zhenyuan, the International Conference Center is an international education platform and developing more and more up-and-coming tightness elites. Thank you so much for your attention, and now welcome my colleagues.
Hello everyone, now we are at the front door of our legend Hot Spring Resort Hotel. Our legend Hot Spring Resort Hotel is a 5-star spa luxury resort featuring recreation, guest room, and catering service owned by Tainn's Group. The hotel is 39,000 square meters with multifunctional meeting rooms, Chinese and Western restaurants, and spa. There are 203 comfortable rooms, suites and villas with indoor and outdoor swimming pools, gym, yoga studio, parent-child amusement park, and chess and card rooms. When the bustle and noise of the world fade away, leaving only the freshness, you can lie on the balcony bathtub and enjoy the beauty sunset. The 230 luxurious hot spring rooms and hot spring villas are all elaborate work of famous designers, presenting luxuries and warm atmosphere. Now let me show you 天骄阁. Now we are arriving at 天骄阁. Let us see what it is inside. Tianjiao Pavilion, as Chinese restaurant, is equipped with independent luxury private rooms, accommodating up to 30 guests to dine at the same time. All furniture and dining tables and chairs all used small leaf rosewood, yellow pear restored material hand-carved, with giant pictures and crystal lights, which are classical and imposing. Tianjiao Pavilion provide official cuisine, Cantonese cuisine, and a combination of Tianjin and Shandong specialties, fitting the requirement of guests or features of the exclusive, custom-made dishes, reflecting the quickness and nobility of the banquet guest. Now is all the introduction of 天骄阁. I will show my warm welcome to you to visit here. I will take the camera to the colleague for the next scene. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Zhang Kexin, a junior student of the Institute of Foreign Languages in Tianjin Tianshi College. I'm now located in the largest teaching building of Tianshi College, Science College, which is also our main teaching building. 7,000 students will study here every day. At the same time, I spent 3 years there and left me many good memories. Next, let me introduce our beautiful campus to you one by one. This is our student apartment. When it comes to accommodation, we have to mention the accommodation conditions of our school. There are elevators, large wash basins, independent toilets and bathrooms. For people living in a dormitory, it is really warm. Under the apartment building, there are barber shop, coffee shop, live supermarket, nail shop, and so on. So the conditions provided by the college are very excellent. Do you feel excited after watching so much? In addition, I have to mention the overseas study program of our school. Tianjin Tianshi College has or is carrying out joint training programs with the University of Florida, the University of Delaware, Victoria University of Wellington in New Zealand, Flinders University in Australia, and other well-known foreign universities, providing students with many opportunities to go abroad for internship, postgraduate, and doctoral studies. In recent years, more than 400 students have been trained from Kazakhstan, Russia, Korea, Canada, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, South Africa, and other countries. That is my introduction to our science college. Now, please turn the camera to the next.
Now I'm located in our student apartment. Shall we come in and see it? Our school has established warm and comfortable student apartments with independent toilets, shower rooms, and independent washstands. Of course, loft beds with desks are necessities in apartment. And air conditioners make us warm in winter and cool in summer, so that we can study more at ease. Even small details like lifting racks and thermometers are readily available, which provide us a comfortable environment to study and live.
Hello everyone, I'm Zhang Yan. Now let me introduce the fundamental condition of our school to you. Tianjin Tianshi College is a full-time undergraduate college approved by the Tianjin Ministry of Education in 1999 and filed by the Ministry of Education of the PRC. Relying on Ting's group and international enterprise and relying on the achievements of world scientific, technological, and cultural progress, and the characteristics of regional economic development. It has established an application-oriented university with global strategic thinking and first-class practice system in China after 20 years of running schools. Characterized by high-quality, professional, and application-oriented personnel training, Tianjin Tianshi College offers 6 major disciplines, including business, economics, medicine, information engineering, biological engineering, international linguistics, and art, and plans to develop new majors urgently needed in the market, such as aviation technology, film technology, environment and health, culture and tourism. The campus covers an area of 3.2 square kilometers, planning 2.1 million square meters, will accommodate 42,600 students in the future. This is all for this part. Thank you for watching.
Hello, I'm Zhang Kexing from the Institute of Tianjin Tianshi College. I'm now at our school library. Now let me introduce our college library to you. Tianjin Tianshi College Library, as the college document information service center, has more than 650,000 paper documents and 141 academic journals, combined with the guiding ideology and discipline construction of the school. The library has set up a scientific and reasonable collection resource system, which provides a solid document information guarantee for the school teaching, scientific research, and students' learning and entrepreneurship. In order to fully meet the needs of the readers of literature and information, library has equipped some online electronic borrowing machine. Readers can get the library collection resources and services through the network, and which had public platform anytime and anywhere. Learn about the activities such as the readers' education and reading promotion in the library, and the arrival of new books. As you can see, there is an opening reading room behind me. After class, students can come to read or study at any time. On my left are some separate libraries, each with different categories of books, such as natural science, linguistics, politics, law, and so on. Close to our library, it's the Natural Science Library. We might as well come in and visit it. As you can see, different cabinets marked different type of books. Let's come in and see it. In addition to your appreciation, I'd like to tell you about the Tianshi Student Reading Month, especially organized by our college library, including the selection of articles for World Reading Day, the speech contest of Start of Reading on campus, and lectures on reading classic culture, rich and colorful reading promotion activities for students to create a good scholarly campus atmosphere. The above is the application of our library. Now, please turn the camera to the next scene.
Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Yan. I'm a junior student majoring in English in Tianjin Tianshi College. Now, let me introduce the cafeterias of our university to you. There are two cafeterias at present, and now we are located in the cafeteria D. It's a new one, just opened this semester. Now let's take a look at the different types of delicious foods. First, we can see the halal foods, which is specially prepared for Muslim international students and students who like halal foods. The foods in this barrel hatch mainly includes noodles and brown rice. We can see the ramen chef is working, and my favorite food is beef ramen, which really suits my taste. Then we can see a battery hatch about pizza, where you can buy delicious pizzas, a variety of snacks, fried rice, chicken nuggets, and so on. And we also have Japanese foods and Korean foods. You can see that there are sushi, Japanese noodles, Korean rice, etc. And then let's take a look at the cake shop over here, where there are all kinds of breads and cakes, and there are different cakes to your taste. The cafeterias gives us a very warm feeling, because the cafeterias can always provide us with the food we want most, and the staffs of the cafeterias can always provide us with the best services, which make us feel at home. This is a brief introduction of our university's cafeterias. Thank you for your watching.
Welcome speech by Chairman Lee. We have a new beginning in year 2021, a promising start. With the merger of the European and Eurasian regions to form the Greater Europe region. Come together, brothers and sisters of the Greater European region. Welcome home, and home welcomes you too. Come and visit us. All family from ટાઇન્ઝ will give you our warmest greeting. We need to look at the world from the global perspective. First, 3rd of August event, our 26th years anniversary celebration, has a countdown to the reverse schedule, with the global view of the world, to reach the celebration of over 10 million people online, build the future of ટાઇન્ઝ business together. Winning into the future, we, the people of ટાઇન્ઝ worldwide, all help each other, grow together, stay strong, and gain more. The second point is that we have 10,000 ટાઇન્ઝ AO shops worldwide, and we have upgraded to experience shops. There are medium standard, high standard, super high standard, and flagship shops. We have 11 devices to use for the experience, including fat loss, shaping and beauty, lowering high blood pressure, high blood glucose, and high blood lipid. There are also over 260 genetic testing devices. You can see it, you can feel it. It's much better than going to a professional experience institute. The test result is accurate and scientific. Everyone is welcome to come and get tested, and the results are available very quickly. After taking our ટાઇન્ઝ products, there is an immediate effect in 15 minutes, then tested, some bad indicators, reversed in a good direction. Everyone is convinced and admired. The third point is that our experienced shops can achieve a return on investment in 2 weeks, and a better one even gets the return in a week. We have this excellent model, suitable mechanism. This experienced shop project can let everyone has a sense of how to access more income. We also have another project, such AO shop and network combination, with being able to reach across regions and borders. It also brings more exciting result for your efforts. This is also, I told, as a global prospect. With this project, we can say that the return can reach $300,000 a year, which is the minimum standard. There are $500,000 over $1 million US, and the flagship shop over $2,000 million. We don't have this diamond in the rough. We dare not to take this porcelain so that the experienced shop returns more and more, which is the key to the direct income. The combination can help you and earn more. We hope that in our Greater Europe region, all the family come together to focus on the partners of the experienced shop. This mechanism model brings the future for you to gain more, much more. We are on this kind of basis and hope to change our mindset and see future development, which is an excellent opportunity in the global market. To give everyone a boost in immunity, we want to use some cases and examples to show indisputable facts individually. Store and network should be integrated to become an organic whole and rely on and enable each other, results in a more revenue. We expect to land experience shops in the end of July in the greater European region. In this combination model, who catches the first batch, the choice is more critical for you. We choose to set the benchmark during this period. The second batch is to put the volume, probably more. The third batch is the shop to expand the shop. The shop will show the truth. The network will also show. On our shop and the web are mutual drive, development, growth, good. We are on this kind of foundation. This shops-to-shop model can cross the region and collapse the country. It is a suitable mechanism and a good model that let everyone gain more. We have around 11 professional equipment that can immediately put in the video shot out. Catching eyes with such videos, taught to everyone will experience it. In this regard, we can see and feel very clear. The immediate effect can be experienced within a few minutes to half an hour, 40 minutes. People invite newcomers to come and think by themselves. New people then bring new people, family and friends, forming a good, closed-loop cycle. The mechanism model can be more assertive, more significant, more specialized and better. I hope that our network leaders in the greater Europe region do not miss this great opportunity. Our August 3rd celebration, with over 10 million people going to celebrate online, is the success of our 26-year true story. And the series of carnival activities of August 3rd celebration, for the sake of continued and permanent development, I hope that you, a member of the greater European region, will come home to see and feel. You will see with your eyes and hear with your ears. We believe that is the beginning of success. Persistence is the end of the success. To have a good start, a new future, together with hands to cheer. Thank you all. We welcome you to come home for a site visit.